All right, students, we're going to start this activity with a little review on what an explanatory and response variable are. The easiest way to kind of tie this into things that you already know is the explanatory is like X and response is like your Y when you think about graphing two variables. Another way to remember that explanatory is X is because explanatory, X. So if you see a problem like number one where it says to identify the explanatory and the response variable, you can think of explanatory being your X, the thing that is like causing something else or affecting something else, and then the response being the outcome or being the effect. So if we look at those first two examples here, right, if I have a sentence here that says the amount of daily exercise, right, may affect the resting pulse, right? What is affecting the other thing? We're saying that the daily exercise is affecting the resting pulse. So the daily exercises like our input, our X, and our resting pulses are Y, because that's the X is affecting the Y, right? So when I come down to number one and I look at the study, they say a study conducted to see if a family's income in thousands could predict the number of children. What's coming first? It's the income. So we're thinking about the income predicting an outcome, um, which is the number of children. So those are the two variables here, right? What is the first thing that's predicting the other? Your family income, right? Not necessarily first in the sentence, but first in your study, right? So family income is predicting an outcome. So that means that family income is my explanatory. So I would write that for X. Explanatory, that's the context. We write that whole thing out, family income. So that's my answer to number one, which leaves the outcome as number of children. You write that out. So we're just, instead of saying X and Y, we're actually talking about real life context. And that's what you would write. Okay, good luck.